let's come back to sulfur. And we are going to try to talk about sulfur a little bit and also basically talk about the physical symptom. What is the main symptom of sulfur? And there are, you have to understand, there are different layers. Okay. This is something that you need to understand. There is not one picture, the drug picture. The idea of drug picture is for juvenile people. This is not how clinically it works. In today's times and understanding the provings, the materia medica rubrics, you have to understand that there are different layers to remedies. The sulfur may look like this, may look like that, may look like that. It's not always that, sulfur will be typically of one type. Different layers to them. So I'm going to try to give you different patterns and different layers so that you may not miss sulfur in your practice. Okay. So the number one symptom, and I'm going to start from the mental sphere, and towards the end I will talk about the physical sphere. So we are going to talk about both. Okay. Sulfur, the main symptom of sulfur, you will see that, is hopefulness, is asha. Yeah. Positiveness. Yes, it will happen. Okay, it is okay. Whatever is there, it is okay. I know it will happen. No problem. This is sulfur. Hopeful. Which also is very close to another rubric of sulfur. I'll try to show you. Yeah. Very interesting rubric. Contented with oneself. He's okay, no problem. He's, sulfur is very happy with his own self. If you keep a sulfur child in one room, in one area, he will be very happy. He'll be with himself. He'll be just, in his own world, no problem. Contented with oneself. Very interesting kind of state of sulfur. And hopeful. Beautiful, huh? So much of hope, so much of contentedness in this remedy, that if you look at the rubrics, I was studying rubrics to talk to you about this remedy. It's very interesting, laughing during sleep, laughing on falling asleep, laughing during dream, comic continues on waking, laughing at night, laughing hysterical. Sleep is a very interesting kind of a state. And to all doctors who are listening to me here, you all require at least 7 hours of sleep every day. And at least, I said, and try to fix one time. So if you want to sleep at 2 o'clock, then you get up after 7 hours. If you're going to sleep at 12 o'clock, you get up after 7 hours. But keep a fixed timing. Try to keep the same timing, and this will help in what is called as circadian rhythms. This is what I'm experimenting with more often nowadays with my patients. I give them fixed time to sleep. I talk to them about lifestyle change. I give them the homeopathic remedy. And when we work all this together, I have to tell you, some of the results are so magnificent. So magnificent. And that's why I want to tell you that gradually, I'm understanding what Master Hahnemann has been trying to tell us in the organon of medicine. He can heal who knows knowledge of medicine. This knowledge of medicine, knowledge of disease. He's not talking about the pathology, and he's not talking about all these numbers and blood test and investigation. He's talking about preserver of health. What is preserver of health? He should know all the things which surround health, which are important for health. And that's where homeopathy can play such an important role. So sleep, I was talking about sleep. Sleep is a place where you are kind of, you're not in a total conscious state. Now, in that state where you are not conscious, sulfur is laughing. Do you understand what subconscious state sulfur will have? Apne mein mast, someone wrote very nicely. Very happy within oneself. Very contented. Very hopeful. Very easy, they are very easy people. Okay, easy. Waking up singing. Yes, Dr. Archana, it's written in Alan's keynote. Probably third last line. Laughing during sleep. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit more. I'm going to go through different rubrics here to explain you. And towards the end of the talk, you will understand a pattern of sulfur the way I can probably tell you a little bit. Delusion, abundance of everything she has. Sab kuch hai. I have everything. Abundance. What is abundance? What is abundance? Abundance doesn't mean this is, I have one pen. I have two pen. Okay. What is abundance? Abundance is like everything. I have the whole thing. Sab kuch hai. I have everything. I don't want anything. There is just so much abundance. This is sulfur. This is the feeling of sulfur. That so much is there. I have everything. I have absolutely everything. I don't need anything. Why do I need to be worried? And that's why I'm laughing. I'm hopeful. I'm contented. This is sulfur. Delusion. She has an abundance of everything. Abundance. But then gradually this abundance grows, and then this is where the ego comes in. Ego means I have abundance of everything, so I am better than you. Delusion, better than others. He is. Oh, I am better than you. I know more than you. I am bigger than you. I look better than you. I eat better than you. I have more knowledge than you. I earn more than you. I am this. I. Delusion, better than others. In fact, in Kent repertory, there is only one remedy: Myrica. Myrica. Okay, that's a remedy for infantile jaundice. Delusion, better than others. Kent repertory. Delusion has beautiful visions. Delusion has visions on closing the eyes. So, this is very interesting. You have to understand delusion, beautiful vision doesn't mean that whatever, it doesn't mean that he starts looking beautiful. You have to understand deeper meaning of it. See, now suppose all 150 of us, whoever is watching here live, we all go to I don't know, which is the most beautiful place you have been to. I don't know. Suppose you all go to the beach. All of us go to the beach. We look at the sea. We look at the sand in the sea. Okay. And it is beautiful, isn't it? And we will feel, wow, this is really beautiful. You see the sea, you see the beach, you see some nice people there. It's beautiful. But this is not sulfur. The sulfur state arises when he goes into a garbage. Okay. He goes into a garbage. He goes into a dirty place. He goes into a place which is not so beautiful. But there he finds everything very beautiful. Arey? Wow. This is so amazing. So this is sulfur. Sulfur goes into something which is rubbish, which you will never look at. A t-shirt that is torn, which is of no use for you, you will throw it away. But sulfur will look at it. The sulfur will look at it like this. My God. My God, so beautiful. Oh, this is very, very beautiful. 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 This is sulfur. Are you understanding? So this is an important part of sulfur. Delusion has beautiful vision. How to understand deeper pattern of this? This is what I try to explain you. The things which you will never think is beautiful, for them it's beautiful. That's sulfur. That's why he's collector. Yes, he's collecting all strange things. In between of books, he will keep some old stamp, old letters, old crazy things. He will shit and then smell the shit. Sulfur. Crazy. I'm trying to show you the whole process of sulfur. Yeah. Delusion of wealth. देखो. He has nothing. He has no money. His wife is screaming at him. His wife is absolutely screaming, Are Baba, you have no money. Go to work. Go to work. And sulfur. Are, I have enough. I have enough. In fact, my friend asked me that he wanted 50,000 rupees. I gave it to him. I have enough. Re. This is sulfur. Delusion wealth. Has actually nothing but delusion wealth. This is sulfur. Are you getting this? Sulfur. It's a very beautiful remedy to understand. If you understand this, you'll understand a lot of things about sulfur. Ailments from egotism. This is very important. In Kent repertory, there are very, very few remedies. Ailments from egotism. Only 5. One of them is sulfur. His ego gets hurt. And probably this is where most of his problems start. When his ego is hurt. And that is when he starts detaching himself from people. He wants to be in his own because he is happy on his own. Ailments from egotism. His ego gets hurt. Someone else gets more value. Someone else gets more validation. This is not jealousy. This is just the feeling that he feels he's not valued. He's not given importance because he feels he's the most important thing under earth. Under the entire sun, the most important thing in this whole world, according to him, is himself. And if he's not given enough value, Gela. This is sulfur. Ailments from egotism. Dekho. See how you have to understand even just one rubric, step by step, step by step, step by step. Svetlana says, what about Steffi Segre? Steffi Segre, it's not ego. It is more deeper. It's an insult. It's a mortification. What is mortification? Mortification is that instead of listening to this thing, I should have died. How could you say that to me? This is Steffi Segre. By the way, sulfur and Steffi Segre also come very close. But Steffi Segre is more sensitive. Sulfur is more opaque. The other thing about sulfur, and this is opposite to ego, is embarrassment. Embarrassment is a very important theme of ego, of sulfur. Embarrassment. Sharam. And it's interesting, there is a polarity in sulfur. One polarity is I will wear anything. I will wear a torn t-shirt and go. So what? Who cares? Who are you to judge me? Who are you? Who are you to tell me? Who are you to tell me how my hairstyle is? Who are you to tell me if I keep the beard or no? Who are you? But I don't care about your what do you think about me? I know who I am. You are no one to tell me who I am. Balls to you. Get out of here. This is sulfur. Indifference. Huh? Indifference about what you about appearance or what you think about my appearance, about what you think about me. But there is an opposite. There is a polarity, and what is a polarity? Is that very very sensitive, very very conscious about appearance. They love, for example, they will love one color. I love gray color t-shirts. Oh, I love putting the gel on hair. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love that. Polarity. Hmm. Ailments from being scorn. Scorn is a very important word. It's being used uh, in materia medica, improvings everywhere about sulfur. Almost everywhere, actually. It's used to explain sulfur. In Kent repertory, very few remedies are given in ailments from scorn. I'm teaching you right from basics. I want to make your basics so strong that tomorrow any type of case come to you, you will be able to handle it. That's my idea. That's my idea, to train all 500 doctors, all of you across the world. Yeah. So ailments from being scorn. Scorn. What is scorn? Scorn is a feeling, an expression of contempt, disdain. Means as if someone is putting you down. So this is again another sensitivity of sulfur. Again, basically at a deeper level, ailments from egotism. It's quite similar to that. Delusion. Body parts are black. Dekho. Delusion. Body part is black. Oh, my skin is becoming darker. Huh? Oh, my skin is becoming dark. Oh, I'm becoming thin. My hand is becoming thin. So this is super consciousness about their body part. This is also sulfur. There is another rubric, delusion ciphers. Can you see this? Delusion C cipher. Anyone tell me what is cipher? Hello? Kahan ho bhaiya? What is cipher? Yes, code, puzzle in that way, no? This is also sulfur, like a code language, like a puzzle. What is this? Who does this? This is done by a person who is very inquisitive. है ना? So this is sulfur. They will look everything. They'll look at everything. Oh, this is some kind of puzzle. Oh, okay. Okay. What is this? This is some cipher. Maybe. Okay, what is this? Maybe some alien is calling me. Maybe from the planet Mars. Some alien has sent a cipher that I have to go after 10 years to Mars. Okay, this is a cipher. Okay, my God. This is the state of sulfur. For them, everything is like a puzzle. For them, everything is like a information. It's a different kind of state, a different pattern. I'm trying you to give you a mapping of sulfur, as if you go inside the brain of sulfur and see what it is. So beautiful, no? Hello? Isn't it interesting, this remedy? Someone wrote that the presentation is very good. This presentation is made by Dr. Shrishti. So actually, you should thank her and not me. All these things, the entire lecture, entire course is made by these people. They just tell me you have to come at 7 o'clock and teach. I just do it and go away. The entire course is basically run by them. So you should really thank these people: Shrishti, Jaya, Yash, Utsav, Shivani, Juhi, all these people. It's crazy. Today is my second webinar on the day. I had a webinar in the afternoon with the Russians. I think Maya was there. So this goes on. It's crazy. My life is crazy. Anyways, let's go ahead. What dreams do sulfur get? And I'm going to tell you some very important dreams. Okay. Dreams comical. So this is very interesting. Very funny dreams. Sulfur can get the most funniest dreams. They can get dreams of Kapil Sharma, of some comedy nights, of some very, very funny, friends, something. And they will laugh. And the relatives will say, what happened to him? Very often, mothers whose children are sulfur, babies are sulfur, they tell me, my child, he's smiling in the sleep. Typical sulfur. Smiling in the sleep. Laughing in the sleep. Also, one of the commonest dreams which I have seen with sulfur is dreams of being bitten by a dog and dreams of being pursued by a wild animal, which means patients who require sulfur, some of them, they often told me that I get dreams, doctor, that one very, very, like a bull or like a big tiger is running behind me or a lion is running behind me and I'm trying to escape and I escape. These dreams of being pursued by wild animals. Remember two remedies here, silica and sulfur, two remedies. Dreams of fire coming down from heaven. Okay. Ludicrous dreams. What is ludicrous means? Extremely funny. And they even remember these dreams. Okay. Ecstasy. Ecstasy means they enjoy their own company so much. They enjoy so much being with them own self. It's crazy. They are so contented in life. Fanatism. Many homeopaths are actually sulfur. Many homeopaths who consult me very often are sulfur. They are fanatic. They give the history also like this to me. Doctor, I think that I have anger like Staphylococcus aureus. I have cravings and aversion like Metorhinum. I have dreams like Lachesis. And I have thermals like Lycopodium. And this is the way they give history. They are so fanatic. Fanaticism. What is fanaticism? Comes from the word fanatic. Fanatic means totally crazy about one particular thing. Monomaniacal. Some of the homeopaths, and it includes me also, okay? I am also homeopath now. Abhi kya karne ka? They cannot understand that homeopathy is not the only thing in this world. This is the whole world, and homeopathy is a small part in it. But for them, homeopathy becomes the world. Now there is a very thin layer between this. There is a very thin layer, but some of them just lose it. Fanaticism. They go crazy. In Bengali, Pogol, Gondogol. Okay. Foolish behavior, happiness, and pride. Okay. You have to understand all the words here. Foolish behavior. What would be foolish? What would be foolish? Pride. Lot of pride in doing foolish things. This is what is important. The foolish behavior is connected to pride. They will do some very foolish acts. For example, they will collect some stones from the sea and they will say, oh, these are the kind of, some stones that the aliens have sent for me. And they will have a lot of pride. Can you imagine? You people don't want to talk to me, but the aliens, they want to talk to me. Foolish behavior, happiness and pride. They have a lot of pride in that. They are in their own world. Sulfur. They are also very impatient people. Absolutely impatient. Impatience about trifles. But one of the most important thing about sulfur, which I want to tell you, which is very important here. Okay. Is that sulfur is the most selfish remedy in the world. The most selfish. They cannot think beyond themselves. सिर्फ खुद के बारे में, just thinking about their own self. One of the most selfish. Everyone is selfish, but this one is just beyond. Beyond. I'll give you one example. The mother would tell me that my husband, who was my patient, he says that my husband, he's so selfish. No, he doesn't think beyond himself. For example, I make food for 5 people. He will go inside, he will take all the food, eat it up, and we all are looking at each other. There is no food remaining. He didn't even ask us that did you eat? Did your children eat? Nothing. So selfish. Indifference to welfare of others. Indifference to external things. Indifference about lot of other people. They don't care if you die. If you, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? छोड़ना. This is self. Are you with me? I think now all of you are started to think, my God, in my house, this one is also sulfur, that is also a sulfur. I think your mind has started just playing, okay, my God, my husband is sulfur, or my boyfriend is sulfur, or my wife is sulfur, or my father is sulfur. I think you started thinking now. Crazy. Okay, Aishwarya says, I always eat all the food. It was just an example. It doesn't mean that anyone who eats food is not sulfur. That's not what I meant. The whole idea, no, that they cannot think beyond themselves. Yeah, you understand this. ये आप समझो, ठीक से समझो. Also, they have a lot of pride in their religion, religious fanaticism. Can you imagine? Religious fanaticism. They'll go crazy about their religion. Pride. Theorizing, making ideas, making some strange connections. You know how COVID must have happened? I think that they must have done something. I think it's not a virus. It's a kind of they must have done some crazy things and some kind of, I think it's some kind of a game. I think theorizing. It may actually be that way. That's another story. But theorizing. Ye sulfur. This is sulfur. Too many thoughts. Thoughts intrude and crowd upon each other. Mind is just thoughts, thinking some strange things. Can you imagine? Someone asked difference between pride of sulfur and platina. Platina will not let you know it's a pride. She will just put you tack tack took, tiki tiki tack. He'll say, "Hey, who are you? Chal, hut." This is Platina. You understand? Platina will not make you stand in front of you. He will say, "Teri औकात क्या है? What is your level? You're not in the level to stand in front of me. Chalo." This is Sulf. This is Platina. The other thing about Sulfur and the family members, they will often say that, we can't stand him. We can't just stand next to him because he keeps talking, blabbering about some crazy thing. Sulfur. So beautiful. One of the peculiar thing about Sulfur, I'll tell you, I'm telling you, that 90% of time, they are not interested in giving a homeopathic consultation. There are two types of Sulfur I've seen about homeopathy. One is person who is not interested at all to give you history. Not interested at all. So someone else gets this Sulfur patient in front of you that, this is my father or this is my husband or, she's my wife or something. But that patient is not interested. So answering with lot of effort. Acha, what you want to ask? Ask. Chalo. ठीक है. Oh, okay. Sulfur. One type of Sulfur. The second type of Sulfur, which I've seen, is a person who's very inquisitive. Very, very inquisitive about homeopathy. They are not homeopaths, but they are very inquisitive. They will say, "Doctor, I get coldness in the center of my belly button, and this coldness then goes little high. And I checked it in that book, I checked it in Google, and they are saying that this could be the indication for another remedy, phosphoric acid. So I just want to tell you this. The other thing I want to also tell you is very peculiar symptom, doctor, because I studied homeopathy before I came to meet you. I saw all your videos. I saw 500 videos in last 1 year before I met you. So they are like that. So one is a type of person who's very indifferent, and another is a type of Sulfur who's very, very inquisitive. Very inquisitive. Pagal. Crazy, no? Absolutely crazy. So beautiful, no? Different layers of Sulfur. You learn this. I'm teaching you, all of you, with a lot of love. Okay? Someone asked me how to know Sulfur child. This is very important. Wishing to touch something. So one of the commonest thing about Sulfur child, and there are many things about a Sulfur child, but one of the commonest thing is they will constantly come in your clinic and they will constantly want to touch something. They will touch your stethoscope. They will touch your thing. They will touch this. They will touch this. Sulfur. Yes, very inquisitive. Ask question. Achha, who is this? Is he doctor? Where is his stethoscope? He's not wearing stethoscope. Why this doctor not wearing mask? What if I get COVID? Sulfur. Asking many questions. Sulfur. Precautious. Probably a 6-year-old boy talks like a 25-year-old boy. Sulfur. Are you all with me? Are you getting it? It's a very, very beautiful remedy, Sulfur. Very selfish. The other type of sulfur, another type of sulfur which you will also see, is a lazy sulfur who just doesn't want to get up from the bed because why to get up? Why to get up? Let's sleep, eat, drink, sleep. Eat, drink, sleep, eat. Why get up? Very, 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 very lazy sulfur. Sulfur. Are you getting these patterns? Are these patterns building within yourself? Say yes. So I know that you're understanding. Huh? Philosophical mania wants to know who made this or that, how, tries to reason without any hope of discovery possible answer. They will ask you so many questions. Okay, this is a phone. This is a mobile phone. Who must have discovered a phone for the first time? Okay. How he must have discovered? Why a phone? Why not a satellite? What about a wireless or wiring? Why? How they must have done it? How? What material is used inside this? So this is, sulfur. Too many questions. This is also another layer of sulfur. You will often see this. Imagine himself a great man, though ignorant, despises literary men and education. Someday, some WhatsApp chacha will get a WhatsApp uncle. He'll say, "Arey, all this COVID, no nothing. Et, कुछ नहीं है रे, कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता. COVID, कुछ नहीं होता. He'll say, "Arey, all this is nothing. Just take one glass of whiskey every day, night, tight, khatam. What's up, chacha? I what these doctor people know. This Dr. Gaurang, all this. Arey, कुछ नहीं आता है. They don't know anything. Ask me. What's up, uncle? देखो sulfur. Many this WhatsApp uncle are sulfur because they despises literary men, education. क्या है? Sulfur. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Crazy, this some of these WhatsApp chacha or WhatsApp uncles are just absolutely amazing. Some of the suggestions they will give are just mind-boggling. No, देखो Alan's keynote has written. See how beautiful. Alan's keynote. Everything looks pretty. Which patient takes a fancy to? Even rags seem beautiful. Everything looks beautiful. The girl may get a guy, and she might say, this man is so amazing, so beautiful, such a nice guy, this, and she introduces to her all friends, and friends keep looking at her. Kisko leke aaya re? My God. Everything looks pretty, They become blind. This is sulfur. Sulfur. They love all this, They love parties, dancing also. So there is a type of sulfur. There is a layer of sulfur where they like this to make contact, to make atmosphere. Because there they may get importance. They may get importance. That's the thing. They somehow want to get importance. If they don't get importance, फिर कठिन है. Mhm. Thinking about philosophy. Constant, their mind is thinking about philosophy. Some sulfurs can also be very hypochondriacal. They'll come and tell you, doctor, can you see this eye here? There is one small, like a red color boil coming inside here, just very small. You can't see it, but I can see it very small, very, very sulfur, hypochondriacal. But I'm okay, yeah, no problem. I just wanted to show you because it is very rare case, no? This, it is not written in books. It is a very, very rare case. It is not written in books. That's why I came to show you. You are new doctor, no, you're junior doctor. That's why I came to show you, so that you will learn something. I don't want medicine from you. Arey Baba, no, 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 no. I don't want medicine from you. This is just, so that you will learn something. It is very rare, no. This case is very rare. Arey Baba, you will never see. Arey, what you? This is sulfur. Very rare. The doctors called a meeting to understand my case. Can you imagine? This is sulfur. Crazy, no? Absolutely crazy. I think now you'll be able to pick up sulfur very easily. What do you say? No? See, all these people, you all are making fun of me. You're writing, sir, your lecture is good, but your acting is very good. Someone emailed me, sir, your course is very good, but I basically joined the course because it is very entertaining, because uh, uh, it is your acting is very good, your teaching is okay, but your acting is very good. Matlab, they are all coming, basically all this, everything we are doing, all this circus is just for my acting. No one is even appreciating all the lectures or whatever this Dr. Shrusti is making PowerPoint, or all the other lectures, but they are but your acting is very good. You should try acting, sir. Karo aap. What to say? Crazy, absolutely crazy. No. The other thing about sulfur, and many people are writing, sir, your lectures are like short movies, your acting is really very good. So sulfur likes appreciation so much, no, that if you appreciate sulfur, you say, arey kya acting hai bawa, your acting is just, they'll feel so happy. You like my acting? Acha, wait, I'll order tea for you. Arey, hey bhai, go just order one nice tea and some sandwich for my friend here. What else did you like? This is sulfur. If you appreciate, they will give everything. They'll even remove the t-shirt and give you. They'll remove everything. They'll give you all the money, everything. You just have to talk to them very nicely, sweetly, and just listen to them. This sulfur. This is practical, Crazy. Uzma writes, kids also enjoying. My God, is your like whole family opening up? They have opened this computer and everyone is watching like what, like some TV series or Big Boss or something. Crazy. I'm going to very quickly tell you some very important things about sulfur, some more things, okay? Before we finish. Vinaya says, sometimes my husband joins. My God, he's going to tell you that what are you attending this Friday, Saturday, Sunday? These all your family members, your boyfriend, husband, children, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, they must be telling, ये सब क्या चालू है exactly? Why are you listening to this crazy man? My husband is jealous of you, doctor. Me, out of everyone by me, there is nothing to be jealous of me. I am the most, like, God knows. All right, let's come back. You all people, you kind of distract me and you take me somewhere else. So I cannot focus on teaching you. This is all, because happens because of you. So sulfur has an action on venous system, varicosities, portal system, so portal hypertension, liver problems, abdomen, nutritive organs, so metabolism, mucous membranes, so discharges, serous membrane, sulfur is a very important remedy for dropsy, edema, rectum, very important for rectal problems, piles, fissures, chest, skin folds, very important for eczema, psoriasis, vertex, soles, joints, glands. Dekho. First, we'll go worse from ailments from suppression of any illness, taking too much allopathic medication, sulfur. Worse from bathing, milk. Worse from being heated. Worse, 11 a.m. is the worst because they feel very hungry. Worse, climacteric. Worse, full moon. Achha? Better in open air. Better by motion. Better by warm application. Better by sweating. And better by dry heat. This is sulfur. Stoopy, lank, uncured, untidy, unwashed. Emaciation with good appetite. Stoop like this. Sulfur. Stoop, lank, uncured, untidy, unwashed. They are the people who are just, just looking like this and just, I know more than you. Sulfur. Stoop, lank, uncured, untidy, unwashed. Unwashed. It's the dirtiest remedy, They never, you ask them, okay, you are more affected by, when did you last take bath, in the morning or evening? I took bath in the morning about 1 month back. 1 month back in the morning, I took the bath, yeah. Sulfur. Crazy, But this is, you have to understand, this dirty is one layer. There can be very clean sulfur also. You have to understand, sulfur is also there in fastidious. You have to understand that there are different layers. Don't go by only one state. And also, not everyone will be so open to tell you that, I don't take bath. Now, I can assure you, there are 500 people who watch. Out of them, there will be many people who may not be taking bath. Okay. Or they may not have taken bath today. But they will not write on this Zoom webinar chat, oh, I didn't take bath. Who will write? Or probably Hyoscyamus can write. Because Hyoscyamus is shameless. So you have to understand a little bit of psychology also. Okay. Deficient reaction. Lack of reaction. Red orifices, single parts, lips. Their lips, sometimes they look as if they put lipstick, so red. Throbbing, burning, congestion, soles, vertex, itching. Discharges causes itching. So leukorrhea comes out and there is itching there. Stool comes out, there is itching in the rectum. Empty feeling, empty, over full, rough, asleep feeling, empty. My stomach feels very empty, sulfur. Ascending effect. This is the keynote of our case. What is ascending? Down to up. How was our patient symptom? From feet to upward. Ascending effects. Ascending heat, vertigo, ascending effect. All symptoms come from down to up. See how beautiful Boger has written. Isn't it beautiful? Hello? कहाँ रह गए दोस्त? By the way, I made a new post about some movies. Did you have a look about the top 9 movies that impacted me? If you get a chance, you watch those movies. Okay, they are movies that impacted my life. It might help you, and it would be good if you also write there the movies that impacted you. It would be interesting to share notes. And also the podcast. I hope you're listening to the podcast on Organon, on Random Thoughts. And if you're not able to, we didn't upload for a few days, then you should not tell me. You should catch Dr. Ragini. She is the main head of the department. Slow, lazy, hungry, always tired. Sulfur. Vertex throbbing, hot, heavy, sore. Also, sulfur, very important remedy in hypertension. Nape to vertex, also cervical spondylitis. This is very interesting. Sunday headache. Sulfur often gets all his problems on Sunday because that's the day when he rests. So that's the day he gets the problems. Dry, cold hair, very dry. Sulfur. Eyes are burning, bursting, very important for glaucoma, some cases of cataract. Obstructed nose, coryza, chronic sinusitis, but redness in the nose, sulfur. Imaginary odors, very sensitive smell, sulfur. Old look, budha, old look. Sensitive dental fangs, their teeth are very sensitive. Throat as of swelling, vapor rising. Very nice. Drinks much, eat little. बहुत पानी पीता है. Drinks a lot of water, eats very less. This is sulfur. Suddenly hungry and weak. Aggravation at 11 a.m. Suddenly he's working and I feel hungry. Dekho, sulfur. Abdomen which is painful, better by pressure. Sulfur. In babies, when they get colics, sulfur is a great remedy. Sulfur in 30 potency works very well in babies. In people who have hemorrhoids for a long time, who there is a hemorrhoidal habits, hemorrhoidal constitution, sulfur, because it's a venous state. One very peculiar thing about sulfur, as soon as they get up in the morning, they get diarrhea. They get painless stool, like tuberculinum. Cough in 2 to 3 bouts. Pulsatilla, stannum, mercury, sulfur. Okay. Chest rattling at 11 a.m. Many COVID pneumonia I treated sulfur. Okay. Very good results when indicated. Lumbar pain, has to walk bent. They walk very bent like this. Very bad palmar psoriasis. Palmar feet psoriasis. Another peculiarity, sole burn. They will put their foot outside the bed at night and they want AC on it. Skin is dry, rough, itching, violent, won't heal at all, burning. Eruption alternating with other complaint. Sulfur. Inclined to uncover single parts. Crave fresh air. Sleepy by the day, wakeful at night, like all of you. Sweat in axilla. Sleep in cat naps. Yeah. Complementary to aloe, calcarea carb, sulfide. So this is a little bit about sulfur. Interesting, no?
Hello and namaste from Mumbai. I'm very, very excited to share with you that this December we are launching the advanced course on classical homeopathy. So, all the homeopaths out there, students, interns, early practitioners, students anywhere, this is the thing you need to join. It's a weekend course, online course. You can sit at home and learn. In today's times, the world has been online. We are going to be talking about 100 polycrest remedies, also rare remedies, organon, repertorization techniques, advanced level of case taking. Also, we'll also talk about how to use mother tinctures, organ remedies, biochemics. It's going to be one of its kind. Homeopaths across the world are going to be teaching also in this, and I'm working on the content of it very, very closely with the best minds in homeopathy. So I really, really want every single one of you to join us, be a revolution in this field. I'm also going to give a lot of homework to all of you. So be ready for a lot of training sessions with me. Also, there is an early bird offer. So if you register earlier, you will get it at a major discounted rate. And if you already attended my last course, you'll also kind of in this early bird offer, you'll also get the last course, that is the 6-month classical homeopathy course, as a guest access. We are going to increase it for 6 months. So you'll also attend the last course plus this course. So it's going to be close to about 200 hours of classical homeopathy at your fingertips for the next 7-8 months. It's going to be one of its kind. So if you want to be a genuinely good homeopath and a clinician, this 200 hours will take you to the next level. So forget everything else. Forget the Netflix, forget the Amazon Prime, forget the movies, forget the stories. Classical homeopathy at its best. Just email on the below email ID, register, be a part of revolution. Every single one of you listening, hand on heart, join us.